Hello guys, how's it going? So recently I was in need of having a power bank. My previous power bank literally died and I lost it. I know I lost it flying from United States to Europe somewhere. I don't know exactly what's happened. Today we have a completely different level of power bank. So I have INIU Cougar P63 and this is the new generation of power bank with a small cell, big power, 25,000 milliamperes from the little device. It is literally insane. So let's open this and I will show you how it looks inside. Ready? Here we have it. So this INIU P63 Cougar has 25,000 milliampere battery. So it's 15,000 more than I have previously. And I am able to charge my phone around 4 times using this power bank. This older charger, and it was around 10,000. I was able to charge my phone only once and it's left like 20% of the battery. So it's a big advantage here over the older one. What is incredible, which is absolutely incredible, is this 100 watt output here. So input and output where you're charging other devices and you're charging this device itself. 100 watt is amazing. It's super fast and really this is something very unique because 100 watt I remember like chargers very often are calling like super fast where they have like 30 watts. Here we have 100 watts. So it's literally insane. It's on the heavier side for sure. So if you, for example, land on the ship, I don't know, like Titanic and this starts sinking, probably it's because too many people have this on the board. It is on the heavier side, so we can sacrifice a little bit here on the weight to have our outstanding power and small compact size. So I had like a few power banks before in my life. I remember I had like the smaller one. Everyone I think had it. This was something like they give you everywhere or you can buy for like $15. It was very cheap. This was super small and thin. Those power banks not necessarily was usable for anything. I wasn't even able to charge like 30% of battery of my phone. And then I remember I went to Poland and I don't know why I mentioned this to someone from my family that I'm looking for some kind of power bank. I didn't buy it. I got this under the Christmas tree as a gift. So this was like a very regular power bank, but it has around 10,000 milliamperes. And I was able to charge my phone only once. My phone had at that time around 5,000 milliampere battery. So this was like kind of, you know, okay with me. And I was able to fly from United States to Europe. I was like more cautious about this, what I'm doing with my phone, to just not discharge it completely and stay like without the power. Because if you're flying across the countries and continents, and sometimes I have to change the plane. So this is really confusing. And sometimes it's taking me like 18 hours to get to the destination and I'm using this phone constantly. So for me, having on a trip this kind of like a power bank is literally essential. But this is exactly this power bank what died recently and I lost it, so I have to replace it. So I'm gonna replace it with the INIU. The biggest difference between the older one that I have and this one what I have is not only the power that it has, but it's the power output that it can handle. The previous power bank was really slow. It was charging constantly, so you feel like, you know, it was helping you like 1 point per like, I don't know, 10 minutes. So this is how it like actually was looking. So when I was using the phone and charging at the same time, it was not growing like, you know, exponentially very quickly. With this one, you can plug this in and it's a rocket. It's literally a rocket. It's insane how strong this little device is. So this one compared to my previous power bank is looking much better. We have this rubber finish everywhere. You're gonna see some fingers on it, but like, you know, it is really comfortable and nice to handle. It's nothing like previous the rough edges and, you know, those discomfort to hold it somehow. They really make it fun to hold because, as I said, it's rubbery. You don't have any sharp edges here. We have a nice like a reflective screen over here. Here we have like a power and outlets, and it's beautiful looking little device. This is what I see right now. They also have like a blue, white, yellow, orange and red. So you can choose also color, whatever you like. So it's kind of fun thing to have. Okay, let me show you how this works. So here, the blue color means that this is USB 3.0 or this is like a fast charging. I do like it. The blue color looks really nice in here. So we have these 3 ports right now. So this is 100 watt, this is 45 watt, and this is 18 watt. So if you are using these two, this 100 watts is gonna drop to 65 watts, and this is gonna have 45 watts. So still in total is 110 watts of output. That it's literally insane. I have to say it, it is insane. So these two are the most powerful. Next we have these two over here, and this in total can give you just 15 watts. If you want to use all 3, you're gonna get 65 watts here and total of 15 over here. So this is how it works. It's really essential for me to have power bank for is traveling across different states and also countries and also continents. So when I'm flying from United States to Europe, mostly I have like a second fly. You know, it's just normal thing. You are looking for like a cheaper tickets or something, or you're just showing up that this is actually the fastest option possible, that you can get right away this ticket and you can fly over there. So you always have flights and you have to switch the plane. So this kind of trip is taking me like sometimes even 17 hours, mostly like 13 hours max. So cool. This looks like a real bakery. Welcome Europe. Not this American crap, I'm sorry. Real bakery. The difference between like Europe and USA, everything is much more stylish. Well made. I'm gonna give you good advice, because INIU is giving you like a cable, but it's like a shorter cable. But whatever you are traveling, you wanna have something like a super large. This is the cable I'm using, and trust me, you want the same. It is insanely long. Why I'm doing this? You don't wanna hold this power bank with you all the time. You know, holding this in your hand, and the phone also, or tablet, whatever you are using. You wanna just drop this power bank somewhere in your backpack and have like a long enough cable to hold your phone in your hand, comfortable, wherever you are in a plane, you want to toss this, you know, backpack under the seat somewhere and have the phone in your hand. You literally need to have like a long cable like this. And I cannot say enough how many times like a power bank saved my because really I always have to recharge my phone at least once during this kind of trip. So this is essential for me. We are going on a short trip, guys. I got a gig. I gotta tell you this, it's really essential to have stuff like this, guys. It's really something like power bank. It's really something, for me at least, very important. I always have this with me. Really, I have like a pouch, my back, shoulder, waist bag. I don't know how to call it. I call it here pouch. I don't know why they call it here pouch. This is like a bag, like a shoulder bag or waist bag. I don't know why they call it pouch here. Pouch. What a pouch is? Pouch. No pouches, it's a bag, it's a literally a bag. Small bag, I put stuff inside, I hold it there, I have it there in a case if something's happened. Who knows, maybe in the future we're gonna use also this kind of power banks to charge our girls, AI girls, because probably they're gonna be cheaper and more loyal. So I'm joking, but really, power bank is essential to have. So links down below, guys. Like and subscribe, stay with me, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. I knew I gonna buy it. I knew that. Okay, that was dumb. You want a little charge, honey?